The law of attraction is real and it works. Now, just like a car or a diet, it works better when you know how to use it and you have some practice and strategies under your belt. I have the law of attraction best practices for you, and guess what? We're going to do them together all week long. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Lori, your positivity princess. I'm here spreading love and positivity every day and in every way. Today is Tuesday, day 2. Like I said, all week we'll be doing law of attraction strategies together. Okay, today's law of attraction in action practice we will be doing, there's actually 3. There's the 2 cups method, there's the 3-6-9 technique for affirmation repetition, and there's also the 5-minute meditation. So let's get started. For the 2 cup method, this is what we're going to do. I want you to grab 2 glasses. And what you're going to do is add water to both of them. You can fill them each up about halfway. Then you're going to need 2 pieces of paper or 2 sticky notes. And basically what happens is one of your glasses of water will represent your current reality, and so will one of your sticky notes. The other glass will represent your ideal reality, or the reality that you would like to shift to. So on the first piece of paper, on the first little sticky note, you're going to write on it the current situation that you are in. Okay, this basically the situation that you would like to see changed. On the other sticky note, I want you to write what your ideal situation would look like. I want you to keep this as basic and simple and, brief as possible. Okay, so you can look at mine here. Now, take your first one, okay, the one that represents your current reality. And what I want you to do is to put all the feelings that you have associated with that current reality into that water. So I want you to supercharge it. You're gonna hold on to that glass and you're gonna say, this makes me feel this way. This current reality is not what I desire, and I release it. You're gonna take that and you're gonna pour it into the second glass of water that represents your ideal reality. Now that glass, you're going to supercharge with all the good positive feelings that you will feel once that is manifested and once that reality has become your current reality. I want you to close your eyes and feel as good as possible. I want you to charge it with as much positive energy as possible. Do that just for about 6 seconds. Awesome. Now drink that water, the whole glass. Okay, so now what I want you to do is keep that positive sticky note, the one that represents your ideal reality, and keep that in a safe place, and you're going to see that manifest. Your second technique is your positive affirmation, so I want you to use the information from yesterday in order to do that. So you can use the same statement of desire as yesterday, or you could choose a new one if you like. The third one, again, is the 3-6-9 technique. I want you to remember that you're going to take those positive affirmations. You're going to repeat it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the evening before you go to bed. You can write these down or just say them out loud. Writing them is a very powerful practice. Typing works too, but writing is more powerful. So I want you to do whatever works for you, whatever feels good, and whatever you're, sure that you will be able to get done. Those are your 3 practices for today. Okay guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow we will continue with these practices, and we will also add some more practices in order to supercharge the manifestation of your desires. Now add some more karma and positive energy by clicking that like button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification so that you do not miss tomorrow's video. Have a lovely, beautiful, and blessed day. I love you all so, so much. Have a wonderful day and be positively happy.